Good morning po mga Lods. Ongoing po tayo sa Barangay Balayang, Alaminos City para po sa Ride for a Cause Charity. Shout out po kay Kuya Albert Porganan Kalbo, Boss Kalbo Mapagmahal, tsaka kay Kuya Pao Motovlog, tsaka sa Team Pasmado na si Christopher Banson. Shout out po sa iyo, sir, na nagpa-charity po sila ngayon sa Barangay Balayang, Alaminos City. Sige po, ongoing na po tayo. And 1, 2, 3.
I'll smile, I know what it takes to fool this town. I'll do it till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Keep my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. Yeah. I put my arm around so you are strong, I am. I put my arm around, I saw you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need.
If you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo.
Country roads take me home to the place I belong.
Dito na po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Balayang, Alaminos City.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Ano mo, sir? Salute ako, sir.
Like rock the funky beats, like the rock the beat, rock the funky beats. Like rock the funky beats, like the rock the beat, rock the funky beats.
To the left, go to the right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
tayo dito sa charity ng Malong Team Sapot. Team Sapot, Sir Juanito.
Pa-shoutout po, Juanito Motovlog. Yes, I love it.
I love it. No, love it. I love it.
Sapot!
Sapot.
Shoutout po sa nag-attendance, President Juanito, tapos may Eugene Rarang.
Gago ka!
Okay. Kuya Oding Motovlog.
Yan, subscribe po natin si Kuya Oding Motovlog.
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world.
Sir Juanito
The
Motovlog.
longer you live, the more you will realize that the only things that truly exist in this reality are merely pain, suffering,
Dancer
and
pala to eh.
futility. Listen. Everywhere you look in this world, wherever there is light, there will always be shadows to be found as well. As long as there is
Hi
a
po.
concept of
Ito po yung bata, oh. Yun po.
Don't go tonight. Stay here one more time. Remind me what it's like.
Kay Kuya Oding Motovlog. So, pa-subscribe kami at click the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng video.
By my side, it tears me up when you turn me down. I'm begging, please, just stick around. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me.